Hello, and welcome to another in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And today's question is quite a simple one. Who is responsible for drafting data definitions? Now, I've created content in the past about how to write good definitions because it's absolutely vital that our definitions are good, otherwise they won't be useful. But I don't know whether I actually mentioned who should be writing them. So the person who wrote the email to me was a data governance analyst, and they and the rest of their data governance team were coming under pressure from the business to write data definitions for the whole of their organization. Now, that isn't correct. The data governance team cannot be experts in every single data item that your organization owns. It's only the business users that know what that data is, and it's the business users who have to write the data definitions. Now, this is where we have our roles of data owner and data steward. Now, you'll remember that data owners are senior people. They're accountable for a set of data, and therefore they're also going to be accountable for reviewing and approving definitions for their data. They're going to be too senior to write them themselves. And this is where data stewards have a vital part to play. I would say it's a key part of their role to draft definitions for data that their data owner own. Now, they may not have all the answers themselves, and they may need to liaise with other business users in their area. But I just want to be quite clear, it is the data stewards and other business users who draft definitions of data. The data governance team is not there to become experts in all data that your organization has. Your role is to support the business. So it may well be doing briefings and providing advice on how to write data definitions, but you're not going to write them yourself. Data governance is all about getting the business to realize that they own the data. And therefore, it makes sense. They have to write the definitions. So I hope that's helped. If it has helped, please help me get my message out and to help as many people as possible by liking and commenting or sharing this on your choice of social media. I really appreciate that. And if you've got a question that you would like me to answer even on a future video, please just email it in to questions@nicolaascombe.com.